Hello there, welcome to episode 146 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to talk about rhythmic rests, and I'm using Tom Petty's Breakdown as an example. Here's the basic rhythm of the verse of Breakdown. You can hear all the space in that, and it's really important to have that break. And get your timing down as well. And to create that break, you have to stop the strings. And there are different ways you can do that. One is to use your left hand. So after what I'm doing here, this is just a basic A minor chord. In fact, just an A power chord. So just open A string, second fret on the D string, second fret on the G string. And when I'm done, I lift up my middle and ring finger, what I'm using on the D and G strings, and then using another finger to mute the A open string. You don't want to cut it off immediately. You have to let it go just long enough. Like that. You can also do it with your right hand. I just use the heel of my right hand just against the notes after they sound. Just put it very gently. You don't want to smack it unless you're going for that kind of sound, just to stop it. The other thing I'm doing is I'm pulling all notes at the same time. I'm using my thumb, index finger, middle finger to pull, like that. Like that. And the G is also a G power chord. I'm just using 3rd fret on the E string. It's a G. Open D string, open G. And that I'm letting ring out. Now the additional thing you can add is an actual rhythmic smack. I'm using the heel of my hand against the strings. And again, just smacking it. And that also has the benefit of stopping the strings entirely. But the important thing here is the space and stopping those strings in the way that you choose. It's a great rhythm. It's an easy song to play along with because it's very repetitive. The verses really are just those 2 chords over and over again. And good for the rhythm, just to get that rhythm exactly right. So I'd encourage you to listen to the song and play along with this technique. So I hope this is useful to you. Please let me know any comments or questions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.